Yeah. Crabs. 37. Oh my goodness. All right, what else we should get, y'all? What else we should get? We got crabs. What else we should get? Salmon Valley, get a red snapper. So crabs and a red snapper? What the fuck is red snapper? We got catfish, whiting, potatoes. Do I put all this in there together? What is this? What's this? It's not potato. Oh, it is potato. All right. Hold on. Cause I want some shrimp or something. Nah, I'm gonna just put jumbo. Damn, that shit $25.
It's a pound, though.
Oh, you just supposed to put a little bit? So wait. I take it out and just take a little bit out?
Yeah.
You lying, son. Yo, they really make you work in this shit.
Carefully.
What?
Watch it.
Oh.
That might be a pound right there.
Hold on now, we're gonna do. I was jumbo shrimp, Chuck. What else I should get?